A very warm and sincere greeting to all our valued viewers. In this comprehensive and insightful lesson, we will meticulously learn and thoroughly discover the precise and correct way to effectively find out whether your personal WhatsApp account has been compromised or indeed hacked, and crucially, if someone is illicitly and surreptitiously spying on your private communications and activities without your explicit knowledge or consent. So, before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. And this particular method works seamlessly on the regular WhatsApp application as well as the dedicated WhatsApp Business application. This comprehensive method also functions perfectly on Android mobile phones as well as Apple iPhones, ensuring broad compatibility across various devices. So, for example, we will open the WhatsApp application as usual, and then you will simply tap on these three small dots from this particular spot. After that, we will then proceed to tap on the Linked Devices option. As you can clearly see here, I currently have 3 distinct devices that are securely linked to this particular account. This is precisely why someone has been actively spying on me without my explicit knowledge, which is a significant privacy concern. For example, I will now proceed to log out of this particular account, which is currently associated with an iPhone device. I will then gently tap on it, and subsequently I will tap right here. So, I have successfully disconnected this particular device from my personal account, and you can certainly do precisely the same procedure for all the other various devices that are currently linked to your personal WhatsApp account, ensuring complete control over your connected devices. If you've reached this point, don't forget to check out this incredibly helpful playlist. It's a comprehensive collection of some essential WhatsApp tutorials. You'll discover many important and beneficial guides there that you'll surely like and greatly benefit from, making your WhatsApp experience much smoother and more efficient.